สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today I'm here to deliver the promise that I'm gonna show you how to make my second favorite sauce, which is khao man gai sauce or chicken rice sauce. And if someone already missed my first favorite sauce, you can go to the link up there. Check it out what I've made. And for today, it's gonna be very quick, so please pay attention and come here to take a look at the ingredients. 180 ml of soybean paste, 6 to 7 tablespoons of ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of chili, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, and lime. Now you have all the ingredients ready. So what you have to do is just to put everything in the blender, mix it, and it's gonna be your sauce. That's it, we got our chicken rice sauce. So that's how quick it is to make khao man gai sauce or chicken rice sauce. Try it at home, find the ingredients below or find it on our website worldofthaifood.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share, tell your friend how good it is. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye!